Okay, now we've got our testimonials custom post type. We can see it there from the Toolset dashboard screen, and we can also see it appear in the left menu as well. We can see our new testimonials custom post type there. So now we need to add the custom fields specific to testimonials, so things like the title, the comment, the image, then the person's name, any URL, website references that you want listed on there. So all the bits of information that make up what a testimonial is. So from this screen, we click the Add Custom Fields option here. Okay, so the first one I'm going to add is just a single line, and we'll call this one the headline. And if you click in Field Slug, it will just automatically copy it across. Now this one I want to make mandatory. I want to make this required. So that's all we need to do there. Click Add New Field. Now the next one I'm going to choose an image. And we don't need fancy names here. We can just call it image. And again, I'd like to make this one required because it'll make our testimonials look a bit better. Add a new field. And this time I'm going to go for a multiple lines, and we'll go with the comment. And again, I want this one to be required. Next I'm going to go for a single line, and we'll just call it name. So we don't want anonymous testimonials, we do want them to have a name against them. So again, I'll make that required. But then lastly, I'll include, I didn't mean to do a single line then, so we'll remove that field. What I meant to add was a URL. So we'll add URL. And we'll just call it website. Now, I'm not going to make this one required, but I will make sure that it's validated as a proper URL address if one is added. Okay, so that's all we need for those. Of course, if you wish, you can add further fields. If you wanted to add any other fields for your own testimonials, you can get people to add files, checkboxes, radio buttons, phone numbers, even embed videos and so on. And address might be useful for location-based information. So you do have other options there, of course. But for this simple version, those will suffice. So once they're done, don't forget to click Save Field Group. And then it is worth checking at the top here, Settings for the field group. Just open that up, and you want to make sure that it says Appears on Post Type Testimonials. Now, if you added it through the dashboard in the way I showed you, then it will have that already. But if you added it through the custom field screen and just added new, then that wouldn't be there, and you would need to edit that and then make sure that you ticked to make the association with that specific custom post type. But as it is, that's already good. So don't forget, save field group at the end, and then we're on to the next stage.